Hello. In this video, we are going to discuss set 4 of a reasoning section of CAT 2018 slot 1 paper. So here is the question. The multi-layered pie chart below shows the sales of LED television sets for a big retail electronic outlet during 2016 and 2017. The outer layer shows the monthly sales during this period, with each label showing the month followed by the sale figure of that month. For some month, the sale figures are not given in the chart. The middle layer shows quarter-wise aggregate sale figure. In some cases, aggregate quarter-wise sales numbers are not given next to the quarter. The innermost layer shows the annual sales. It is known that the sales figure during the 3 months of the second quarter, April, May, June of 2016, form an AP as to the 3 monthly sales figure in the fourth quarter, October, November, December of that year. So basically, this is a pie chart, a complicated one. Fine. और इसमें किस तरह से डेटा दे रखा है? It is only complicated once you see is एक बार इसको solve करेंगे तो this is quite easy. Fine. हम देखेंगे देखिए इसमें डेटा किस तरह से दे रखा है. So for talking about year 2016, so the sale in January was 80, that in Feb was 60, that in March was 100, 40 in April. For May and June, the sales figures are not given, but then we are given that the total sale in quarter 2 is 150. So the total of these 3 months must be equal to 150. Similarly, the total of quarter 3 is not given, but then we can simply calculate the total of these 3 months. It is quarter 3. Fine. So इस तरह से data दे रखा है. And the other important information for us is 3 months of the second quarter, April, May, June forms an AP. So April, May, June of 2016, these 3 ये AP में है. Fine. And October, November, December are also in AP. These 3 figures are also in AP. So this is very important information for us. So let us try this question. Okay. Before that, आपको क्या करना है? एक बार खुद आप इस क्वेश्चन को ट्राई करिए, उसके बाद ही आप सॉल्यूशन देखिएगा. Okay. So let us first form a table out of this data. हमने क्या किया है, इस डेटा की एक टेबल बना ली है जिससे थोड़ा इजी रहे हमको देखने में इक्वेशन. फाइन. So now let us fill out the missing out values first. So these values were given to us directly in the question. ये हमने वो values है जो हमने pie chart से लिए. For example, talking about 2016, the value of January was 80, then 16 Feb, then 100 in March, then 14 April. The value of May and June was missing, so I have left it out blank over here. In July it was 75, then 120, then 55, 75, 120 and 55 and so on. So like this we have filled out this table. Now we were given that these 3 months form an AP and the total of Q2 is given as 150. So the total of these 3 months must be equal to 150 in 2016 year, out of which April is 40 and the sum of the remaining 2 must be equal to 9, in fact 110. And these 3 are in AP, so we can safely, this very basic concept, which can safely assume the values to be 50 and 60. So the value in May must be 50 and that in June must be 60. Similarly, the total value of quarter 4 was, 360 and the terms are also in AP. The first value is 100. So the sum of the next 2 values must be equal to how much? 260. So if we assume this value to be 120 and 140, so the total of these 3 must be 360. And then these 3 terms must be in AP. And देखिए आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे 100, 120 and 140 forms an AP. So we have find out the missing values. Now let's move to the question part. So the first question based on this set was, okay. So let us first fill this value. So this was 50, this was 60, and over here it was 140, 120 and 140. Fine. Now the first question. What is the percentage increase in sales in December 2017, sorry, as compared to sales in 2016? 2016 sale was 140. In 2017, it is 180. So the increment is of 40 over 140. And to calculate the percentage, we'll multiply this by 100. Fine. So on solving, we'll get somewhere around 28.5%. So the correct answer to this is option B, 28.57%. Now moving to second question of this set. In which quarter of 2017 was the percentage increase in sales from the same quarter of 2016 the highest? In which quarter of 2017? तो 2017 के कौन से क्वार्टर में the percentage increase sales from the same quarter of 2016 was highest. So first of all 2016 और 2017 की values को हमको compare करना है. Now quarter one value for 2016 was, okay, so let me fill this values first. This was 50, 60 and this was 120 and 140. Okay, so the quarter one value, total of quarter one for 2016 was 180 plus 60 is 240, and that for 2017 was the total of these three values, and I think that must be equal to 380. For quarter two, the total is 150, and for 2017 it is how much? 200. For quarter three, 2016 में the total was in तीनों का sum, and that was equal to 250. Fine. And for 2017 it was 220. For quarter four the values were, this total was 360, and for 2017 it was 500. Now we need to calculate in which year quarter was the percentage increase highest. So in quarter one there was an increase of 140 over 240. In quarter two there was increase of 50 over 150. In quarter three there was decrement. So we need not to calculate for this, है ना, हमें बताना है कि परसेंटेज इंक्रीज हाईएस्ट कब था, यहाँ तो परसेंटेज डिक्रीज हुआ है, so we need not to calculate for this. Quarter four में there was an increment of 140 over 360. Now comparing these two values, 140 divided by 240, 140 divided by 360, obviously this value is greater because हम यहाँ 240 से divide कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर 360 है, so we can eliminate this value as well. Now we need to compare these two values, so this is basically 1 by 3 and this is somewhere around यदि आप इसको 2 से कट करेंगे तो 7 by 12. So this 7 by 12 is greater than 1 by 3. Fine. So the correct answer is quarter one. Option C is the correct answer to this question. Fine. Moving to question number 3rd. During which quarter was the percentage decrease in sales from the previous quarter sales the highest? Quarter 4 of 2017. So quarter 4 of 2017 में जो sale था, that was quarter 4 of, let me fill this value again. This was 50 and this 60 and this was 120 and 140. So quarter 4 of 17, the total value was how much? I think it's 500. और जो previous quarter में value था, that was 60 plus 90 plus 70, that is 220. So there is an increase of 280. Fine. Decrease, but we need to find for decrease. Here it is increase, so we can simply eliminate this option. ठीक है, option A में increment हो रहा है, whereas we need to find the maximum decrement किस case में हो रहा है. So we can simply eliminate this option. Moving to option number 2, that is quarter 1 of 2017. Quarter 1 of 2017 में the value is the total of these three values, that is equal to I think 380. Fine. और quarter 4 of 2016 से ये increment हुआ होगा, तो उसमें 360 value थी. So there is an increment of 20 over 360. Now let us check for option C. Quarter 2 of 2017. Quarter 2 of 2017 में जो value है ये वाली, ठीक है. Now the total is 60 and this is how much? 140. That is 200. And in quarter 1 the value was how much? 380. So there is a decrement. So इसमें कितने का decrement हुआ है? इसमें decrement हुआ है 180 का over 200. Oh sorry, over 380. The base value was 380. Fine. अच्छा, ये वाला केस भी we can eliminate because इसमें भी increment है. From 360 to 380 there is an increment of 20 over 360 sorry. So these two options we have already eliminated. In option C we have an increment of 180 over 380, and let us check for option D as well, that is quarter 2 of 2016. So quarter 2 of 2016 the value is 40, 50 and 60, that is 150, and quarter 1 में जो value रही होगी जिससे हमें compare करना है, that is 240. Fine. So वो value थी 240. So here also it is a case of decrement. Now here the decrement is of 90 over 150. फाइन। नाउ यहाँ पे देखेंगे 180 है, तो इसको भी 180 के टर्म्स में कंपेयर कर लेते हैं, इजी रहेगा हमारा कैलकुलेशन। तो दिस इज 180 over 300. Now here we are dividing 180 by 380 and here we are dividing 180 by 300. So option D is the greater one. So the correct answer to this question is option D, Q2 of 2016. Moving to last question of this set. During which month was the percentage increase in sales from the previous month sales the highest? March of 2016. So in March the sale was 100 and in previous month it was 60. So there was an increment of 40 over 60. Fine. This is option A. Now let us check for option B. October of 2016. October of 2016. The value is 100 and in September it was 55. So the increment is of 45 over 55. Moving to C option, October of 2017, the value is 70 and earlier it was, sorry, October of 2017, the value is 150 and earlier it was 70. So there is an increment of 80 over 70. And last option, option D, March of 2017. So March of 2017, the value is 160 and earlier it was, in Feb 2017, it was 100. So there is an increment of 60 over 100. Now see, these three value in these three ratios we have numerator which is less than denominator. So these three fractions are less than 1 and this fraction is greater than 1. So this is the highest. So we can simply say that option C is the correct one, October of 2017. Okay, I hope this set आपको clear होगा. Thank you so much for watching the video.